Roswell.
Where are you?
Occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Word travels fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.
Sergeant Garrick, roger up.
Go for Garrick.
Terror threat level is now critical. Possible multiple attackers. Bombers or something worse.
Do we have snipers in position?
Negative, Sergeant. Can't unduly alarm the public.
Terrorists know that too, sir.
Garrick, don't turn London into a war zone, clear?
Yeah, Crystal. Out.
Looks like we're on our own, lads.
We'll handle it. Let's get it done, yeah?
AFA.
Sergeant? Heads up. White van.
Weapons in view.
That's them. Saber to Raven. White van, multiple military-age males. Weapons visible. Moving to intercept.
Roger. Unless an attack is imminent, do not engage.
White van, left side. Go, go!
Here, brother! Here, come here! Go! Police! Police! Get your hands up now! Get down on the ground! I'm gonna tell you again!
Suspect in.
Gun! Look! God's gone me fucking
David,
on it!
what the hell is going on down there?
There's been a detonation at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired. Officers down. We need medical down here now.
Will they get to our home?
They're not done yet. Let's move.
Which way?
Raven Saber 2, officers down outside the Tanto building. Officers down. No, no!
I see you. You all done?
Yes, sir.
Captain Price,
Sergeant Garrick.
you with me? Check those corners.
Please help!
Hostages, up top.
Help! Help! We need help up here! Get it off me! Please, get it off me!
Charlie, I need you over here.
Help me! Help me, I'm not one of them!
Don't want to tell me.
Look, open! Can you help? Try it. Let me see my girl.
It's going off.
I can't get it.
No time! Help me! Help me! Wait! What are you doing? No! No!
All stations. Bomb is clear. Prep medical are coming up. Okay, everybody stay calm. We're gonna get you out of here. You broken?
I'm good.
Let's go. saved lives today, Sergeant.
It shouldn't have happened in the first place, sir. They sent us in half-assed. So everyone can just keep pretending we're not at war.
Yeah, like the fucking century, that is.
Why have we got our hands tied? Let's just take the bloody gloves off and fight. Sir.
Go on.
We don't stand a chance in hell with these rules of engagement, Captain. They can tell us where, they can tell us when. Don't tell us how. My men were tracking that cell for weeks.
You had actionable intel on this?
Quite a bit, sir.
Okay, Garrett. You're with me.